Hi, my children. We are going to demonstrate our first nature walk and what we're going to pick up and what we're going to look at. It's hot out here because we live in the desert. So don't expect to see flowers, but we want it to be whatever your neighborhood looks like, okay? You go outside and we're going to pick up little good things and we're going to save them. So it can't be so big that you can't carry it home. That's a secret little element. Okay, here we go, babes. Okay, I'm going to pick up this leaf. There's a leaf. This is a eucalyptus leaf. Okay, that's my first one. Here we go. Here is our street, and it has desert bushes, desert willows, and no grass, and dirt. And if you want, you can pick things up off the trees or off the ground. We're not going to pick up trash. That's something different. Okay, and we go along here. We see that this is a creosote, and these are seeds. So I'm going to take a couple of these off. Those are seeds, and they're nice and soft. Okay.